Hi, this is Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network, and today's boiler we're looking at is a Glowworm 18HXI. And the problem what we've got today is we've got a combustion problem, and we've got a problem with the this plate here, which is the main heat exchanger. What's happened, you can see it's melted the side here, and this is due to this plate has warped here. Mainly here you can see the excessive heat marks coming out. So this plate has been distorted, so it's going to want replacement. So all this section, the gas valve, the fan needs to be removed, and all of this section here to be replaced, the seals behind here. So it's going to be quite a big job. So if you see this problem, you just click on the link below to get an engineer out. So thank you for watching. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.